In the past 5 years, I've been lucky enough to make over $2.7 million from my affiliate marketing business at just 22 years old, and I can't explain how much it's changed my life. I've been able to build my $2 million dream home, retire my mom so she never has to work again, and help fund an orphanage back in my home country. And my guess is that you clicked this video because you're curious about how to start your own affiliate marketing business so that you can also build financial freedom for you and your family. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can get started without any startup capital and achieve results like this in just a few months. But first, I want to be clear about a few things. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Just like any other business, it takes work and dedication. So I can't promise that you're going to make thousands of dollars and be able to retire on the beach somewhere. But what I can promise is that this method I'm about to share with you works. In fact, I've helped multiple everyday people go from having zero previous experience to making 10K per month with this method. Just like my student Serena, who is consistently making 5 to 10K per month and recently had her biggest month to date, or like my other student Lena, who hit $90,000 in her first year after going through my entire program. Now, if you have no idea who I am, my name is Sarah, and in the past 5 years, I built my own affiliate marketing business to over 50K per month by simply posting content online. So if you're interested in starting your own affiliate marketing business so that you don't have to work 40 hours a week in a job you hate, feel trapped in a cycle of debt, or miss out on overseas holidays, then this could be the most important video that you watch all year, because I'm about to walk you through my 7-step process that helps my students and I make thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions every single month. But just before we dive in, I want to start by answering a really important question, which is, why should you start an affiliate marketing business in the first place? Well, from my experience, there's 3 reasons why I think this business model is the best to start if you're a complete beginner. It's extremely low risk to get started. Unlike most businesses, you're not going to need to risk thousands on things like paid advertising or purchasing inventory just to get started. The earning potential is uncapped, whether you just want to make enough to replace your income or make millions and live a life of luxury. It's all possible with affiliate marketing. But most importantly, you don't need a huge skill set to start making money. You see, the big reason why most beginners fail online is because they pick businesses that require a ton of specialized skills. These are businesses like running a digital marketing agency, selling your own information products, or building a dropshipping business. Now, can these businesses work? Of course they can, but let me explain why I highly recommend you avoid them if you're just getting started. So I grew up with a single mom, lived in a small town, had zero connections, and lived on food stamps. My mom moved all the way from Lebanon to North America to give us both a better life, but the only problem was my mom had no qualifications and literally had to work 2 jobs just to support me. So by the time I was 15, I was already working 20 to 30 hours per week, and on top of that, going to school just to help pay the bills. At this point, we were really struggling, and I realized that if I didn't find a way to make more money, then this would be our future forever. So after saving up about $5,000 and doing some research online, I decided that dropshipping was the business that was going to make me rich. I was so excited to get started because I'd seen so many gurus talking about how they were making thousands of dollars every single month. So I found a product on AliExpress, built my website, and was ready to launch ads. The only problem was I had no idea that I'd need a whole shopping list of skills to make this business work. These were things like managing Facebook ads, copywriting, talking to suppliers, building websites, and customer service. So to cut a long story short, over the next few months, I ended up losing my entire $5,000 on failed products. And it was completely devastating. I remember this one night, I stayed up until 7 a.m. on a school night trying to create new ads because I had in my mind that this had to work. The thought of spending $5,000 and not getting any sales made me physically sick, but just like all my other attempts, I spent $300 on ads and again made 0 sales. Now, why am I telling you all this? Well, it's because I want you to avoid the pain I went through and make sure that you pick a business that is beginner friendly and that doesn't require a boatload of specialized skills to even make it work. So after this ginormous failure, I realized that I needed a more entry-level business where I didn't have to risk my entire life savings just to get started, which ultimately is what led me to discover affiliate marketing. Because after doing some research, I realized that I only needed to learn a few simple skills to start making money. And I didn't have to invest thousands of dollars to be profitable. All I needed to get started was a simple website and my iPhone. So I picked a niche and started posting on TikTok. I was pretty nervous to put myself out there, but within just a few months, I'd built my account to over 10,000 followers and started generating affiliate income. And since then, I've expanded to multiple different platforms and been able to grow the business to over $3,000 per day, which is still absolutely crazy to me. But enough about my success. Now it's time to break down the exact 7-step process I followed and that I've taught to hundreds of my students so that you can start and scale your own affiliate marketing business. So the first step is to pick a niche. So I want you to open up a fresh Google Doc and start writing down your skills and passions. This could be things like a particular sport you love, it could be playing video games, or something like cooking. But don't overthink this step, just write down anything that comes to mind. Then I want you to come over to Google Trends and filter your ideas to see what niches are trending. For example, I'm going to compare skincare, fitness, and business. And as you can see, business and fitness completely smash skincare as trending niches in the past 5 years. You also want to make sure your niche solves a problem for people. A great example is something like fat loss for women. This is because it's a burning pain point that millions of women around the world want to solve, meaning that there will be a large audience of people that will be interested in your content and products. So once you've picked a niche, next you want to decide whether or not you're going to build a personal brand or a faceless brand. Now, you can definitely start a faceless brand if you're not ready to show your face online, but I personally recommend you build a personal brand. And the reason is that people are going to be much more likely to trust you, which is really important in making sales. But either way, you can make great money with both. Okay, so now that you have your niche and your brand picked, the next step is to start looking for high-paying affiliate links. My favorite places to find them are 2 websites, ClickBank and Impact. There are thousands of great affiliate programs on these websites. As you can see inside my Impact account, I'm promoting several different high-paying affiliate links in the finance niche. Once you've found your affiliate links, the next step is to build out your own personal website and blog. And don't worry, it's not like an e-commerce website that needs to be heavily branded and requires a ton of design skills. Here's an example website I created using Shopify. So on the home page here, you can see I showcase all my affiliate links and the page is quite simple with a beautiful theme. Then I have a custom landing page for each affiliate link as well. This is essential as you'll be regularly redirecting people to each affiliate link. There's also a section here for my blog, which is essential if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business past 10K a month. A blog gives you the opportunity to answer a specific question your audience may have and then present them with a solution, which involves signing up to your affiliate link. So here's an example. I made a blog post sharing how you can save money when shopping online, and then I presented the solution, which is to use Rakuten, as it gives you coupon codes to shop online. So I told them to sign up to Rakuten using this link. So when they sign up, I make a commission. Very simple yet effective strategy. And I'll share further details about how you can create a website and blog just like this near the end of the video. Now that you have your website set up, you're ready to start promoting. So there are 2 different ways that I like to do this. The first way, which is what I got started with, is by promoting them on social media platforms like TikTok, where you simply make a video around your product and direct people to your website where they can buy through your link. But you might be wondering, what type of videos do I post? Well, it's actually super simple. All you do is find a problem your audience is experiencing in your niche and then tell them how they can solve it with your affiliate product. Here's a great example.
This is the best way to spread butter. Just insert a lump through the top, wait for it to melt, and when you press the button, it will spray a fine mist of butter onto your cookware, your popcorn, your cereal, and your toast.
Then you simply direct your audience to your website and you'll get paid every single time someone signs up or purchases through your affiliate link. Now, creating content has never been easier thanks to the power of AI. For example, you can use InVideo AI to create content, so all you have to do is give a detailed explanation of the video you want and it'll create it for you in under 2 minutes. This video will not show your face and can be uploaded to all social media platforms to promote your affiliate links. Another way you can create AI videos is with Arc Ads. Arc Ads will create video ads for you with AI actors, which is pretty cool. So essentially, you can have an AI actor promote all your affiliate products and you never have to show your face online. Now, if you struggle with coming up with content ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you some, or you can look at trending content in your niche and take ideas from there. Moving on, the second and most simple way to promote your affiliate links is through Pinterest. All you have to do is come over to Canva, sign up for a free account, and use their templates to create posts that promote your affiliate links. For example, here's an example of a post I created using Canva that's promoting one of my Shopify links, and that's already made me thousands of dollars. So all I do is direct people to my affiliate website, and when they sign up through my link, I get paid a commission. And if you're not ready to show your face online, then this is the best platform I recommend you get started on. Now, moving on to an essential part for scaling your business, which is starting an email newsletter. So if you ever get emails from a brand that's promoting something to you, that means you're subscribed to someone's email newsletter. And so as an affiliate marketer, it's very important to have an email newsletter so that you can be sending out weekly emails that promote your affiliate links. Think about it. If you had 10,000 engaged email subscribers and every week you were promoting one of your affiliate links to them, you could be making tons of money. And the more email subscribers you get, the more money you can make. I currently make 10 to 20K a month just from my email newsletter. This on its own can turn into a 6-figure business. Now don't worry, near the end of the video, I'll share a resource with you where you can learn everything you need to know about starting and growing an email newsletter. So by this point, hopefully you're starting to make some sales, but you'll likely run into a problem that most affiliate marketers will reach. And that's how to scale your business. What I found the most success with is using paid ad tools like Google Ads and Pinterest ads. This is what's going to supercharge your business and help you start making a lot more money. Now, I don't have time to go through exactly how to do that in this video, but in a moment I'll share a resource with you where you can learn everything you need to know about scaling with ads. Then the final step is to automate the business. Once you're profitable, I highly recommend you outsource simple and boring tasks like creating Pinterest posts, researching for content ideas, or editing your content. You can do this by finding freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. For example, let's say I was looking for a video editor to edit my TikTok posts. I simply type in video editor on the platforms and I'm going to get a bunch of listings at all different budget levels. I recommend to test out 2 to 3 editors and then pick the one that produces the best results. Not only will this free up your time, but it will also allow you to focus on the things that give you creative energy. But you might be wondering, how do I take all this information that I've just shared and actually go and get started? Well, one option is to go and implement it yourself, and this can definitely work. But there are some things to consider if you decide to take this route. You risk making costly mistakes because obviously without guidance, you're more likely to make mistakes that will cost you time and money. It'll probably take you months or even years longer. This is because without guidance, you'll waste time on the wrong tasks that don't get you results. I mean, imagine trying to become a professional chef without learning from an expert first. Sure, you might eventually make great food, but it's going to take you years longer. Lastly, you're more likely to give up when you hit challenges you don't know how to overcome, which is why I recommend, if you're serious about building a successful affiliate marketing business, then you try my Finance Simple affiliate marketing course. Obviously, I am biased, but I do believe it's the best affiliate marketing course if you want to go from zero to making $10,000 per month or more. In fact, it's what helped one of my students make $826 in just their first few weeks of joining the course, or students like Sam who've made over $60K after going through my entire program. This course helped fast track their results because they followed my proven 7-step formula that covers everything from making your first sale to scaling the business to thousands of dollars per month. I mean, just imagine where you could be in 90 days from now if you had a clear roadmap to building a $10,000 per month affiliate marketing business so that you could quit your 9-to-5 job, the knowledge to find low competition niches that are exploding in demand, allowing you to get fast results, plus the exact systems I use to scale and automate the business so you can free up your time and spend time doing things you actually love. So if you're ready to take the leap and build your very own successful affiliate marketing business, then click the link in the description. It's going to take you to a full page where you're given more information about what's inside the course, and you can join from there. I look forward to seeing you inside.